Hi, this is a construction video. I'm very excited. It's called Dividing a Given Line into Any Number of Equal Parts. We're going to be constructing, we're not going to use a line, we'll just use a segment, and we're going to divide it into any number of equal parts. This is using GeoGebra.org, and I use the Classic app because the tools are on the top and they're easy for me to find. I'm going to first go over here and I'm going to take off the grid and take the XY axes off so to see this better. I'm going to start with our given, which is a line segment. So suppose we want to divide this into equal parts, say an odd number, say 3. How would you do that without measuring? Let me show you how. We're going to go to the ray. The end point of the ray will share this point A right here. Then we're going to divide this ray into 3 equal parts. So we're going to go down to the third one, which is the compass, A, D, D. Then I'm going to put a point here. So far, I've divided this ray into 2 parts. I need one more. Oh, to use the compass tool, you can just click on the circle and then go to the point. It keeps it the same distance. Now, I've divided this ray into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. These circles are sort of in the way from what I want to do right now, so I'm going to hide them. Just click on this gray right here and hide them. Now I'm going to create a segment from this to here. Now I'm going to use the parallel line tool from here to here, and the parallel line from here to here. And I'm going to use the point tool, or I could have used the intersection tool to create this. Well, so I've successfully taken A, B, and divided it into 3 equal sections. The reason where this comes from is we have 3 parallel lines, 1, 2, 3. The distance is equal from here, here, and here. And since we have these are parallel, this is a transversal as well, and it's going to also be equal distance. And the theorem it comes from is, let me state the theorem. It says, if 3 or more parallels cut off equal distances on one transversal, which is right here, 1, 2, 3 equal distances, they cut off equal distances on any other transversal. I will be creating a video to prove that later on. Now, let's prove that these distances are equal. There you have it. I hope you enjoy this video, and my next video, I just want to let you know, is going to show you how to use that information to solve a problem like this in our lessons. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you so much.